Evening guys, how you doing? Hope you're all doing fantastically well. So tonight I'm going to be bringing you on the beach here at night. I've done a daytime video here, but tonight we're going to do a nighttime video and show you what a Saturday night is like at this beach here. I've had a bit of a disaster with my bank, but everything's been fixed now. So if you stay near the Camel City Hotel, there's a few ATM machines that were having issues. There was one ATM machine where I pressed to get my money out, but then the machine itself wasn't giving money, and then my bank said that I withdraw it, so I had to move my bank and I got it back immediately. Just had to chat to my bank, send a picture of the receipt, and then I got it back within 10 minutes. So thankfully that's all sorted out now. So let's check out Agadir Beach at night. This restaurant here, guys, is one of the restaurants you must come to if you come to Agadir Beach. They do really good food in there. They have a live band in, as you can see in there too, and they serve beer as well. And it's just right beside Neil Blue. So we're going to go about that later. But I'm off to a shop down this way here. I want to get a few things, as you do, but you've got your KFC around here, as you can see, and it's pretty lively here on the night. It's just gone after sunset here, by the way, and sunset at Agadir Beach is after normally 10 past 8 or 20 past 8, depending on the time of the day it is, but now it's pretty cool now at this time of the night. You've got a dinner show restaurant along the right here. A lot of couples go in there, I noticed the other day. And you've got a Christmas tree here in 2026 in May. But this is what the Christmas tree looks like here, by the way. I'll just zoom in for you here. So that's your Christmas tree right there. And up here you've got a view of that right there. I don't know if you can see it. If I zoom in, you've got that right there. So nice in this area. It's a must check out if you come to Agadir. So you've got a really busy restaurant along the right here, packed out at the moment. And down here you've got quite a few vendors down here too, by the way. They normally sell you like chips or popcorn. They've got Cheerios along there too, and and ice cream as well along that side there as well. So you'll find a number of like restaurants when you come here, by the way. Plenty of places where you can eat, dine, and further up top you've got places where you can have a few drinks as well. So you've just got to find the licensed premises where you can have alcohol. But remember guys, if you come to Morocco, you can't be drinking on the street here. You've got to drink at the premises that you're at. That's just to remind you guys, if you come here, they're quite strict on that, and police are everywhere here. Nighttime, daytime, they're here for the safety of the people here. You go in there, they do all your ice creams in there, by the way. So if you've got a sweet tooth, then that'll be a good spot for you to get some like ice cream and stuff. They've got a place where they have a pool table in there too, by the way. So if you're looking to have a game of pool, you can maybe go in there if you want to. But continuing on prices though, that's the only thing. You got a shop with all your souvenirs along this side here. You've got your Lebanese restaurant along here too. Somewhere to change your money, obviously. You got this place along the right. And when you come to Agadir, you'll notice that all your taxis here are like orangey reddish colour, by the way, when you come here. So there's absolutely stacks of restaurants down here, by the way. But you'll notice when you come here on the night time, it is a lot more busier on the night than it is on the actual day itself as well, by the way. So we got another restaurant there with live entertainment. We got sports in there too. Right time, right place, guys. And you've got all your shops here, by the way, too. So if you need a bag or anything, or a suitcase, you got a stall here, by the way, too. So your bars that you're looking to have a few drinks on the evening, down here, guys. You can go in there if you want to, and there's a few retail shops along this section here. And by the way, too, just down there there's like a little shop and a few stores where you can get like aftershaves, Udu, bags, books down there, do you know what I mean? So if you need any of that, they have it down there for you. So I'm just showing you these restaurants here, showing you how busy it is on a Saturday night here, and this one is not busy. You've got a few more down here too, and I'm just going to show you how busy they are at this time of night as well. It's just gone after 9 o'clock here now, so, but it looks to be pretty dead there at the moment. Yeah, it's not busy at the moment, pretty quiet there as well. So that's quiet. So they must be repaired, or they're closing now. Okay, they're closing. You got a pizzeria on this side here, barbecue, and if you're into your arcades and all that stuff, there's an arcade place across the road there. So this is the menu they've got at Camel's, by the way, when you come to this place here. They've got pizzas, they've got fish dishes, oriental appetizers, Gulf kitchen, ice cream, burgers, and for alcohol we've got cocktails here, and they've also got all your prices on whiskey. Cheers, guys. So refreshing. So whenever you come to this restaurant, guys, here, you'll get given bread, and you get all these like olives, and like, I think that's like a paste or something, I'm not entirely sure. And there's like an eggplant there too, by the way. It's one of my favourite places, guys, honestly. The atmosphere is amazing. Quick look for you there. Oh really? Really good? Oh really? Oh. They didn't have the bolognese pasta as I wanted, guys, so I've been given a seafood pasta. So you got your cheese, your lemon, your prawn, and all your pasta. I'm going to tuck in and let you know how it is. Let's try the seafood pasta. Oh, like that, guys. Absolutely delicious. Tastes really, really creamy. Got a calamari there. This is very good, guys, honestly. I give it a 9 out of 10. I'm going to dig in, enjoy this live band. But if you want good food, a live band, beer, come to this place. The service is tremendous here, and I don't brag about any place, but the service is to die for here. It's 10 out of 10 here. So my total bill came to 240 dirhams for 3 Heinekens and a delicious seafood pasta. I give that seafood pasta a 9 out of 10. Because I originally ordered a spaghetti bolognese, but that's what it gave me, so I really enjoyed it, really enjoyed it. It was nice and creamy, very tasty, well seasoned, and that restaurant is amazing. The service, the entertainment, the food, everything about it is amazing. So if you're looking for a good restaurant, that is for me the best restaurant at Agadir Beach by a country mile. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of the nightlife on a Saturday night here, as well as showing you a good restaurant to go to. That is the best restaurant for me by a mile. It's just such a good vibe. You know what I mean? Really good. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you guys on the next one.